Racing just is started. We have Galo Diarlo. Creation is on the outside of the Rose Kudos. And on the outside comes Billionaria. Punchline comes next Luna Rosa. Henry Sugar, while is Marias is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, we have Creation by about 2 lengths. Kudos in second. And on the outside third comes Billionaria. Galo Diarlo moving up now to take for Donna Rose, Henry Sugar. Then comes Punchline, Luna Rosa. While Maria still racing in less than they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Kudos. Galo Diarlo running forward. Billionaria, Creation in the middle. Last day swing for home. For runners fighting out for the lead. Kudos, Creation in the middle. Billionaria. Then comes Galo Diarlo. Last 75 meters. Creation. Billionaria is on the outside. Creation, Billionaria, and finally Creation. Billionaria, Kudos, Galo Diarlo, Ono Rose for your Pentapecta.
97482 unofficial.